Today we're going to continue working with percent change as an increase. As we practiced yesterday, we will use our strip diagram to show where our starting points are as 100%, where things change, and then today we're actually going to calculate it. So we go back to do the problem from the first situation. We have battery C lasts 20% longer, and we've already determined that that's the adding on component. So our 20% goes inside of our strip diagram. Our 100 is our starting point. For those people who need our 0 there, we have 0 here to 100 here. So we're adding on 20%. As we go back to the problem, it used to last 130 minutes. That's its original starting amount. So it was 130 minutes. But it's asking how much longer can it last now? So we're asking for how much did it change? How much did it increase? Now we're going to take this information and set it up in a proportion to help us find how much longer this battery lasts. So when we write our proportion, we keep everything lined up like it was on the strip diagram. So on the strip diagram, we had 130 minutes matching up with 100%. That was equal to X minutes over 20%. When we solve this, we can do a scale factor going from 100 to 20, taking us from 130 to X, or we can do cross multiplication. If we do scale factor, since we're decreasing, you're going to find what you're dividing by. Today we're going to practice using our setting up a proportion using cross multiplication. So when we do cross multiplication, we multiply the diagonals. So we do 130 times 20 equals 100 times X. We then multiply out our numbers, and 130 times 20 gives us 2,500 equals 100x, and this is just simply solving an equation. We're going to divide both sides by x, since that is, or by 100, that's what's attached to x. And when we're dividing by 100, we have zeros, meaning we can remove that many zeros if they are there in the other number. And I can see I can eliminate those. For my friends who aren't sure how that works, we can do 2500 inside of the house, 100 outside. How many times does 100 go into 2? It does not. 25, it does not. Into 250, it goes 2 times. When we subtract that out, it gives us 50 with a 0 coming down, and that goes in 5 times. So our answer to X is 25, which means that this battery has increased the amount of time it lasts by 25 minutes. You will now practice setting up your percent bar, your strip diagram, and then solving for each one of the given percent increases.